Look who it is. It is me and Joey.
Hello.
I'm so excited for this show. We're in the kitchen with Joey. He's going to be showing us some great items for your kitchen that are budget friendly and are going to help in every single way possible, whether you want to take them with you, portable, on the go, to the cottage, or if you're looking to replace a couple of items in your kitchen, we got it.
I'm sure a lot of us, especially when it comes to pans, if you look in your cupboard, which of those pans seem to be
There for
needing
20
a little
years?
bit of attention.
Yeah.
Maybe they're kind of peeling and falling apart. I mean, Martina, the green pan, this is revolutionary when it comes to cooking technology, because that is the thing.
It is. All right, well, let's get a load of this. GreenPan, this is the Reserve two-piece fry pan set. It's a limited time offer of $89.99. We've got a great choice of colors as well. And when it comes to sizing, you've got a 10-inch pan and a 12-inch pan. So you're getting both of those. Such high quality. 4 easy pays of $22.49 is going to get them home. Now, Joey is also a chef, and he is going to...
In a former life.
Yeah, well, you're still doing it now.
Thanks.
Former and current. So I'm so excited. You are going to be telling us all about these items for our kitchen. So let's get into this frying pan set and why it's so good.
Yeah, I mean, GreenPan has been in business for about 20 years, almost 20 years or so. And the whole thing with GreenPan, and specifically to this pan and their pan technology, is that they have built this from the ground up. There's no harmful chemicals, which we now know as forever chemicals in the makeup of these pans. This is fully anodized steel that has been ceramic coated. So what do you get from that? You get even heat distribution. You get the reliability and the durability of the anodized body as well. This is diamond reinforced ceramic non-stick on the top, so nothing is going to stick to this, just like my garlic here. And I apologize in advance, Martina, but you
I love garlic.
Are going to smell like garlic when you get home.
I don't mind. Do you know what I used to do? I used to eat a lot of garlic and then I'd hit the club.
No.
And people would avoid me. But I didn't care because I had a really tasty garlic meal. And I was like, maybe people will just stay away from me.
That actually is a good deterrent for people that you don't want to talk to.
Oh, it worked.
There you go. All right, so I just put some beef in here. I'm going to make you a beef stir fry.
Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to taste. It smells so good already. Okay, so these are scratch resistant, diamond infused, which makes them extra special. Even heat distribution. So these wear better than traditional.
Yeah, definitely. So if you notice here, I'm using metal tongs.
I was just about to say.
And normally, especially if you have like a Teflon pan at home or any other pan, it's like, don't use the metal. It's going to scratch it. This is fully scratch resistant. I feel confident using metal tongs on this diamond augmented ceramic coating, because I'm getting that, again, even heat distribution here. By the way, did you notice what I'm cooking on? I don't have the TSC stovetop.
Yeah, I was just about to say, coming up is this cooktop from Dash. Now, of course, look, everything that's in the show, you can shop ahead. We do have in the kitchen, tsc.ca/in the kitchen. You can shop ahead and see all these items. So we are going to have the cooktop here. And, you know, this is, again, something small, portable, if you live in a condo or you just want to, you know, clean up easy.
I mean, it goes in the RV, goes at the, you know, goes to the cottage. I mean, if you're entertaining, you're definitely running out of cooktop space. I mean, that happens to me all the time. Having this at your disposal, you know, just, you know, in the in your kitchen island. Yeah, it's an extra burner. There's 5 adjustable settings, and then there's also a sear setting, which is of course the highest. So if you want to get that great sear on the steak or on that chicken, just set it on the highest setting here. You can use any kind of cookware on this because it's ceramic. So just like your stove at home, for those of you that have ceramic stoves, I mean, the same durability of the ceramic on this.
Oh, lovely.
Some garlic on
well, look, $54.88. I mean, that is an incredible price as well. So if you want to get that, you can see it on screen. Item number 237347. The convenience of it. I mean, Joey, you're already working 2 meals here right now.
Well, this is well, 2 pans, but for that 1 meal, because I'm going to make this beef stir fry right here. So I did the beef a little bit separately, and then I'm doing the Asian vegetables here. I just got the frozen like sort of mix at home. Of course, you
Yeah.
can do fresh at home, but whatever you choose, I mean, the whole point of the GreenPan here is what it's made of, right? This is completely chemical-free
Chemical-free.
construction, and that is the biggest difference when it comes to GreenPan. As you can see, also a very luxurious-looking piece here. We got the
It
stainless steel
is.
handle, finished in the matte gold. Great little addition here.
Oh, yeah.
And then this particular bundle is the 10-inch and the 12-inch. So this is two pans for $90 that you're getting here, 4 inches
Oh,
for easy
wow.
pays of just under $23.
Amazing. And great colors.
Yeah, great color choices
Yeah,
too.
look
Do you
at
want to?
those.
What are the names of the colors? I didn't get
Okay,
them there, yeah.
so we have the yellow. We also have the Oxford blue. We have the Merlot right beside it. Then we have the taupe. And we also have the pastel green, and Joey is using the black there. So look, it's a
I keep it
limited time.
classic with the black.
Oh, indeed. But look, this is the thing, you know, we've all decorated our kitchens in different ways. So these are, you know, whichever color you pick is going to go wonderfully. I'm so excited because guess what? I don't have to cook dinner. Joey's cooking.
I mean, that's what I'm here for.
Yeah.
I've been cooking since
Have people-
8 a.m. today.
Have people been getting their breakfast and dinner and now, you know, breakfast, lunch, and now dinner today, is it? Yeah.
Very true.
How can we get you to do this show more often?
I'll send an inter-office email. But look, I mean, thoroughly, like I'll be quite honest with you, I'm exhausted. I've been here since 8 a.m., but I thoroughly am having fun. I enjoy
Enjoying
this,
it, yeah.
right? And when you have the right tools,
You can.
that's what makes this more fun. Again, go and look in your frying pan cupboard. How many of those pans, first of all, are Teflon? Now, when you talk about pan technology, we have used Teflon for quite literally decades.
Yeah.
And for the most part, we use Teflon pans because that's what we were told to use, because it was new technology at the time, completely nonstick and all that fun stuff. And that's what we knew at the time. In the last few years, we have started to discover about these things called forever chemicals. And I looked the description of forever chemicals up,
Okay.
and PFAS, which are forever chemicals, are rock solid, and they break down very slowly. Some will only completely disappear after 1,000 years.
What?
That is not an exaggeration. This is a fact on GreenPan's website. Just about all PFAS ever made are still present on our planet today. That is why that's why they've been nicknamed forever chemicals. Man-made chemicals used to make everyday objects. And again, these
They're dangerous.
chemicals have been put into our things over the years, but because these manufacturing companies are like, here's a material that is cost effective, and in small doses, it's, you know what I mean? Like they're trying to meet a certain amount of number so that it's not as damaging, but I mean,
I
the
would
fact of
say
the matter
just don't
remains.
use it.
Yeah, exactly, don't use it at all. So again, Teflon, we've been used to it for so long. I have thrown out quite literally every single one of my Teflon pans
Yeah, my mum
that
did that too.
I owned and
Oh,
that
yeah.
my parents have owned,
Yeah.
and replaced it with ceramic coated non-stick. I have a lot of green pans. I got KitchenAid pans at home. I got
Yeah.
some Le Creuset, because none of those things have those harmful chemicals.
Oh, and look, this is the thing, you know, the more we know, then we can do better, you know, and we have these better products on the market here from GreenPan. So look how beautiful they are. They're a great size, so easy to use, and the value, amazing. Please, if you are looking at your current pans at home, they probably need an upgrade. Just out with the old. I'd just say bin them, Joey, bin.
What's that?
Bin them.
Bin, yeah, it's bin them. Yeah,
Get
throw them
rid
in
of
the
them.
bin. That's
yeah.
it.
Get rid of them, in with the new. And these are so beautiful, stylish, and so affordable. Like you're saving, what is this, 50%?
But not only that, are you saving
Wow.
50% on this pan duo? How much money are you saving when you actually cook from home? Look,
Yeah.
a teriyaki, like a beef teriyaki plate at like, I don't know, let's say like Moxie's or like any comparable restaurant, that's easily like a $20, $21, $25 plate after taxes and tips and all that stuff. And look, I'm not saying don't go out, but imagine how much that costs if you continue to go out and eat out and buy Uber Eats and all this other stuff, right?
Yeah.
Cooking from home obviously saves money, and realistically speaking, things that are home cooked just taste so much better, especially when they're cooked by someone that you love. So if you are that person, you already know the gratification that you get when you see someone take a bite of something that you cooked from home. home.
That is so true. There's no better thing than a meal of love. So look, these are the colors available. Joey's using the black, so don't forget that. Yellow, you're seeing also the Oxford blue. Beside that is the Merlot. You've got the taupe, the pastel green as well. So such fantastic colors.
Good to go here.
Oh, let's have a look, Joey.
We are good to go.
Oh.
There is your dinner, Martina.
Good, because I'm starving.
That will be $17.50. I'll give you a little bit of a discount on the final day.
You're so kind, Joey.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
You know, I know the guy that cooked it, so I'll give you a bit of a discount. You're getting a discount here. It's half off of the original TSC price here. That is mind-blowing.
Yeah, isn't it?
Right?
I mean, for the value, a 10-inch and a 12-inch frying pan. Don't miss out. Again, this is a limited time offer, so it will go back to full price, but ensure that you are getting the color that you want. I can't believe how easy that was. And, you know, this is it, cooking with safety, Joey.
That's exactly
Cooking
what it's
with
all about, right?
safety.
So the pans themselves, once again, this is a proprietary non-stick, diamond-augmented, non-ceramic, non-stick coating called Thermolon. GreenPan makes this pan in-house. They don't outsource the pressing. They don't outsource any of the assembly or anything like that. They make everything in-house. And that means they approve the quality, and they see the quality through and through, right from manufacturing, from concept to design, right down to the manufacturing of it. Once again, free of PFAS, so no harmful chemicals, no forever chemicals in this. Diamond reinforced ceramic non-stick. Quite literally, nothing is going to stick to this. So that means little to no oil. I, depending on what I'm cooking, I add oil to my cooking because oil for me is the contact between, in this case, the protein and the hot pan, right? If you want to get a nice crispy crust on, like, let's say, a strip loin, I'm going to need the oil on there to give me that crispy crust. But again, it depends on what you're cooking. The thing about Canada is every kitchen is different. I'd like to think we are the most multicultural city in the world.
Yes.
I absolutely love that, and I'm proud to be Canadian for that simple fact. Every kitchen is different. So many different dishes being cooked. Having the right tools are going to allow you to make each and every morsel taste that much better.
Oh, well, look, don't miss out. It is phenomenal value here from GreenPan, saving $90 there. It's half price on
That's wild.
this. I can't believe it. Like, if you go to the stores now and you're looking at the prices of pans, I mean, Joey, they're crazy prices out there. We really do have the best value. How's it taste?